Hi guys, welcome to our channel Addend Analytics Microsoft Gold Partner. My name is Webo and I'm working as a senior data analyst at Addend Analytics. As of you know, we have launched a Power Query tutorial series, and this is the video where we are going to uh, gain a knowledge of duplicate versus reference and the trim function. So let's get started. So this is the Power Query tutorial, and this is the data set what we have. So uh, all right, we have a table from employee data, and now we can right click on it. There are different options like copy, delete, rename and enable load functions. So if you uncheck the enable load, the table won't be loaded into the data model. If you uncheck the refresh report mode, so the table won't be refreshed when you update the data. Now let's talk about the delete versus reference. So if you create duplicate, it makes the exact copy of the original table including all applied steps, but the duplicated table has no link with the original table. If you make changes into the original table, they won't be reflected into the table. So let me show you. So this is the data set, so I will be create a duplicate of the table. So this is the employee data number 2. This is the our duplicate table we have created. So okay, in original table I going to change a salary function. So this is the decimal numbers, so but I can change, this is the text function, so I will be changed into the decimal number. But in the duplicate table there is nothing into change because there is no link with the original table. So that's because the duplicate is completely separate from the original table. Okay, now let's talk about the reference table. Firstly I need to delete this table. Okay, and delete this table. Okay, original data set. Then I will click on the reference table. Whenever I click on the reference table, a new table was the created. So if you create the reference, it stay connected with the original table, means here is the link between the original and the duplicate table, and any changes in the original table will reflected into the reference table. Okay, let me show you. I have created a reference table. So in original table I have changed email. Here is the function email to the whole number. Okay, I will change it to the whole number, and then again it will be the it shows into the reference table because it has a connection into the original table. So the data type in the original table change. So this is the exactly we have seen into the reference table. So that's the difference between the duplicate and the reference table. Okay, and this is the power query setting where we have see our steps are applied. So I will be delete this table, and next function we will be see as the trim function. Okay, so what does the trim do? Trim removes the extra spaces from the column, and it removes the space from the both starting and end of the text. Okay, let me show you. I will first select this column and then click on the shift button and select the till city column. Okay, so I want to remove. Okay, just I need to change this to the text. Okay, add a new step. So okay, basically I have changed the data type of email to the text. So new step is the applied. So this is whatever changes, whatever transformations you are going to do, so these transformations are seen you here. Okay, so I again click on the full name, shift and till city. So I want to remove the extra spaces from the particular table. So I go to the transform tab, then go to the format section and click on the trims function. So see what happened. It removes the all extra spaces. Now Power BI has detected a data type of column correctly, and either it won't be able to detect it, but after applying trim it automatically sees the data type. So you can see a change between the data types manually later, but the trims function can be cleans the data quickly. So this is the how trims works into the Power BI. Okay, this is now for this video. So we will be see you next part in next video. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.